All right, so example question A for our spheres lesson asks us to find the radius of a sphere if the circumference is 26 pi feet. So we just need to remember the formula for circumference. Circumference is either pi d or 2 pi r, because 2 times r, of course, is d. Those are the same thing, right? Diameter is the same thing as 2 times r, 2 radii. So really these two formulas are the same. The only reason it's kind of worth memorizing it both directions is what you're given. Sometimes you're given a diameter and sometimes you're given a radius, and it just makes it easier to plug the numbers in. But in this case, we want to find the radius, so we're going to use this version of our formula, 2 pi r, and we have circumference equals 2 times pi times our radius. Well, we have the circumference as 26 pi feet, so we have 26 pi is equal to 2 times pi times r. So we're going to solve for r. R is what we want, so we need to divide by 2 and pi, right? So divide by 2 pi, and that'll cancel over here. We divide by 2 pi over here, and our pi cancels again, and we end up with 26 divided by 2, which is 13. So 13 equals r, so our radius is 13 units. That's pretty slick, pretty easy when you know the formula right off the top of your head. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Example B. Find the surface area of a sphere that has a radius of 14 feet. So we have a sphere, and for our sphere here, our radius is 14 feet. Wow, that didn't write very well. Let's try that again. There we go. 14 feet. So we just need to plug 14 in for r in our formula. So we have surface area is equal to 4 times pi times 14 squared. Yeah, so let's pull out our handy dandy calculator here, and we're going to have 4 times pi, which is 12.6 or so, times, and then we'll use our little parentheses, 14 squared, so 196. So 196 times our 4 pi gives us 2,463. 2,463 square units. Actually, in this case, feet, square feet, as we know what the units actually are. I got so used to saying units. 2,463 square feet. All right, let's take a look at example C. Example C, find the volume of a sphere with a radius of 6 meters. Now the volume of a sphere was 4/3 pi r cubed. So again, we already know the radius here. So we have 6 meters. Why does that keep not drawing? There we go. It's like my pen's running out of ink, which is a little odd given that it's a digital pen. But so we have 6 meters for our radius. So we're going to put that into our formula. So we get our volume equals 4/3 pi times 6 cubed. So let's use our calculator again. Clear? We got 1.33333333 times pi equals 4.2. Let's go ahead and put that in. So we got 4.2 times 6 cubed. And then 6 cubed is 6 times 6 times 6, 216. So we have 4.2 times 216 times 4.2 gives us 907.2. So our volume is approximately 907 cubic meters. And we're done.